Hi everybody, Ricardo Reyes at TP-Link in ISE 2025. I would like to introduce one of our new devices, basically EAP bridges. So if you want to make a Wi-Fi connection that is longer than 500 meters, let's say through different houses or through different businesses, you can make a point-to-point or point-to-multipoint connection thanks to these devices. So these are a bridge, access points, directional antennas, and that will give you, through the cable, connection, for instance, to an IP camera or whatever devices that it's very far away, and you can make this connection through our Wi-Fi, 5 gigahertz, for instance. And of course, these are for outdoor environments, so you have IP65 in all these enclosures, so no problem whatsoever with any kind of bad weather. And most important thing is that you can centralize everything, make the configuration locally, but more importantly, through our cloud completely free. But for more details, tplink.com. Thank you.